A570 towards St Helens. Road surface issues as we exit the roundabout are a major concern for motorcyclists. You can imagine any kind of grip issues, diesel, wet, damp road surface, drying road, always more difficult. This time of the year, as you can see from the filming, straight away we're riding into the sun, a very, very low sun on the onset of autumn. But look at the road surface issues. Whilst we're looking at the road surface issues, we've got to worry about junctions, near side, offside, particularly on dual carriageways. This is where the hazards are. So as we're starting to make some progress on this dual carriageway, any crossover points, we're just coming to a set there. Potentially vehicles are going to be looking our way and go straight across the carriageway. Sometimes they don't anticipate the speed of oncoming motorcyclists in particular. Drying line, so I'll always sacrifice my position for safety. So if I can, I'll ride on the dry line. But sometimes that's unavoidable, so we have to go onto the wet line or the wet road surface. And if that occurs, then we've got to reduce speed. We've no idea, no conception of how much grip levels we've got until we've been riding on there. Any kind of diesel patches, any mud being deposited on the road surface are massive issues for us. Watching any vehicles up ahead, potentially going to be overtaking. They'll look in the mirror, potentially not see us, or we sat in their blind spot. Concerns still about these crossover points. Any vehicles are going to turn left, going to brake suddenly and then turn. And also we've got vehicles potentially going to be crossing in front of us, not paying us as much attention. Still on this wet road surface, so I'm going to get off that as soon as I can, back to that dry line, looking well ahead around this right hand bend for the next hazards to come our way. Another junction, and then we're warned of roundabouts. Major route board, primary route board up ahead, green background.